Look, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how can I get started investing in real estate when I don't have enough money? Well, today I'm going to tell you about 3 ways that you can invest in real estate with little money. And the last tip, I'm going to tell you how you can invest with $0. First is seller financing. With seller financing, the seller is going to be the bank and they're going to essentially loan you the money to buy this house. You're going to make the payments to them every single month. Now, everything is negotiable, so you don't have to put 20% down, 10% down. You can structure where you put little to even no money down to buy this house. The next is called buying a property subject to. What you're doing is you are buying this property subject to the owner's current financing. So you're going to assume their loan and you're going to start making payments on their loan for them after you get the deed for the property. This one, you don't have to put a lot of money down. Maybe you give the seller a little bit more on top of what they owe, but you can structure things to where you put $0 down as well and just assume the loan. Last but not least is you can partner with somebody. If you get out there, go find some really good deals and you can figure out a way to add enough value to another established investor, they'll partner with you, you bring the deal, maybe do some of the work, and you can invest for free. Heck, you partner with us, bring us a really good deal, and I'll personally figure out a way to get you into the deal with 0 money.